Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a shape transparent in photopea. Let's first of all open your file or create a new document. I already opened this. Then select any shape. Use the shape fill color. Then create a new shape. Step 1. Fill opacity and multiply screen lighten. You apply soft overlay. Okay. And step 2. Go to effect blending option. Fill opacity 0 or you have to use stroke since stroke. Okay, and step 3, I not use this. Step 3, see the shape, select the eraser tool, right click, use with hardness or without hardness as you wish. Opacity, right click, rasterize layer, then create eraser option. Okay, and next step, see this shape, not rasterize, then create a layer mask, select the brush tool and use black to work. Right click, use hardness or without hardness. Opacity, then create. And remove transparent, use white color, then again draw. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.